In this video, you will learn how to generate 4-quadrant chart in Microsoft Excel. I have generated this 4-quadrant chart using this set of data. It is the data about the effect of nitrogen on the yield of a particular crop. First column shows the location, second column shows the different levels of soil nitrogen, and third column shows the yield of that particular crop. So let's learn how to create this graph using this set of data. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. Firstly, select this data. I will select only 2 columns. Go to Insert, and Insert, go to Scatter Chart and select Scatter Chart without lines. I will place it here. I will resize it. Now select Chart Title. Put equal sign in formula bar and select cell which contain title. You can also manually write this one. Go to Home tab and adjust its format. Black color with 16. Now go to this plus sign, which is the chart element option, and from here I will check this axis title option, and I don't want grid lines, so I will uncheck. These grid lines will be removed from here. Now select this one, right click, go to format axis option, and in format axis option you can see here the minimum value is 0, maximum is 10. That's fine. You can adjust minimum and maximum value from here. Second one is the units, which is the major unit and minor unit. Major unit is currently 1. You can see here there is a difference of 1 between these axis label. So I want to spare some space so it look more attractive. So I will write 2 instead of 1. Similarly, I will select this one and I will write 2 instead of 1. I will close this one and edit these axis title. It indicates the yield. I will put equal sign and select this cell, press enter. Similarly, select this one, and if you want to add manually, you can double click on it and write anything here. It indicates soil nitrogen percentage, so I will click enter. Now I will format it, black color, bold, and 12 size. I will copy this format using format painter and click here. It will automatically format like this one. Similarly, select this one. I will copy this format and apply on these axes. Now I will reduce its size to 11. Now select this and go to format. In format you will find the option of shape outline. Select black color. Again go to shape outline, and here you will find the option of weight. From here I will select 1.5 pt. Now select this one, right click, go to format axis option, and from here go to fill and line option. In fill and line option, go to line option and select solid line with black color. and width 1.5 pt. Go to axis option, scroll down, and here you will find the option of tick marks and measure types outside. Now select other axis and formats and apply format like this one. Firstly, I will insert tick marks outside. Go to fill and line option, and in line option select solid line. Select black color from here and select the width 1.5 pt. Now you can see here we have completed the formatting of outside. Now I want to insert the lines which divide this into 4 quadrants like this one. To generate these 2 lines, we will place a markers on the middle of these 4 lines. Firstly, if I want to place a marker like this one here, then you can see here the x-axis value will be 0 and y-axis value will be 5. And I have written in horizontal axis, x-axis value 0 and y-axis value 5. In simple words, you can write the x-axis value, minimum value of x-axis and the middle value of y-axis. Similarly, to insert a second marker here, I will insert, you can see here the x-axis value will be 10 and the y-axis value will be 5. So I have written 10 and 5. In simple words, you can write here the maximum value of x-axis and the middle value of y-axis. And in vertical axis, you can simply write the y-axis value in x-axis and in x-axis value will be written in y-axis. You can see here the x-axis value is 0 and y is 5, and here x-axis value is 5 and y-axis is 0. Similarly, you can see on other lines. Now right click here. You will find the option of select data. Click on add. Firstly select horizontal, and series X values select the horizontal X values. In series Y values select the Y values. Click on OK. Then again click on add button and select the second vertical. In x-axis write the values of x-axis on vertical axis. Similarly on y-axis we will select the y-axis value of vertical axis and click on OK. Again click on OK. This is the y value, not yield value. Now you can see here these circles are inserted here. First one is this one and second pair is here. Now you can see here the values are changed to 12. I will click on it, right click, go to format axis, and here I will change back to 10 instead of 12. Similarly, I will select this one and I will change values to 10 instead of 12. Now select these circles. You can see here both these circles are selected. Go to fill and line option and in line option select solid line. Similarly, you can adjust the width of these lines and color using these options. Now select other circles, click on any circles. You can see here these 2 circles are selected and I will insert solid line here. Now you can see here the quadrants are divided into 4 parts. We have 4 quadrants. Now go to markers option, and for these markers, no fill and no line. Similarly, select other pair and select no fill, no line. Select these markers, go to marker option, select build in, and you can select any marker. For example, I will select this one. You can adjust size using this option. Now close this one. Go to chart element option and select data labels. Select these data labels, right click, go to format data labels, and from here select values from cell and select data labels range. I will select this one. Click on OK, and you can adjust their format. I don't want y-axis value, I will uncheck this one. I don't want ladder lines, so I will also uncheck this one. Now you can see here, if you scroll down, you can adjust the value on right, left, bottom, where you want. I will select above. Additionally, you can also select these values, double click on it, any value, and place it anywhere. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.